Hey there, architecture enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the genius of Le Corbusier and his Capitol Complex in Chandigarh, India. This is no ordinary set of buildings. It's a masterpiece that changed the face of modern architecture. First up, let's talk about the Assembly Building. This is where Le Corbusier's vision comes to life with a stunning blend of monumental and geometric forms. The hyperbolic roof, resembling a cooling tower, is not just eye-catching but ingeniously functional, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. The play of light and shadow here is simply mesmerizing. Next, we move to the Secretariat Building, a colossal structure housing the administrative offices. Le Corbusier designed it to be a machine for administration. The facade is an interplay of brise-soleil, these sunbreakers which regulate the intense Indian sunlight, maintaining a cool interior. It's a brilliant blend of aesthetics and practicality. Now let's stroll over to the High Court. This building, with its grand entrance and massive piers, radiates authority and justice. The vibrant mural by Le Corbusier himself adds a splash of color, symbolizing the dynamism of the legal system. The open-hand monument nearby, a symbol of peace and reconciliation, ties the whole complex together. But what really makes the Capitol Complex stand out? It's Le Corbusier's philosophy of modular, a scale of proportions based on the human body, which he used to create harmony and order. Every element is meticulously planned, from the smallest detail to the monumental structures. And let's not forget the urban planning. The Capitol Complex is part of Chandigarh's larger grid pattern, designed to improve efficiency and aesthetics, making it one of the most livable cities in India. Le Corbusier's Capitol Complex isn't just a testament to modernist architecture, it's a living, breathing example of how thoughtful design can transform environments and lives. So next time you're in Chandigarh, take a moment to soak in the genius of Le Corbusier. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more architectural wonders. See you next time.